Hey guys, want to make stunning slow-motion videos that look like they were shot on a pro camera using just your phone? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it using CapCut and a few tricks. Let's go! Make sure your phone can shoot in 60 FPS or 120 FPS, higher frame rate, or smoother slow motion. Now, let's move to editing. 1. Open CapCut and create a new project. 2. Import your clip. 3. Go to speed, normal and reduce to 0.5x or even 0.3x. 4. Add motion effects like motion blur or camera shake. 5. Use curve speed to create cinematic speed transitions. 'And you can use smooth option for making video smoother film scenes with clear motion. Walking, water, hair flip, etc. Use natural light for best quality. Add a trending, emotional soundtrack for extra impact. Try other apps like Video Shop or Slow Motion FX. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what effect I should teach next. See you in the next video. Stay creative.